In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format cells and text in Smartsheet. By the end, your sheets will be clearer, more consistent, and easier for teammates to scan and understand. Let's start with the basics. Entering text into a cell. Click a cell and begin typing, just like any other spreadsheet. It's common to start at the top of a column to create a label that explains what belongs below, like status, owner, or due date. Clear labels make your sheet self-explanatory, which is especially helpful when you share it with collaborators or revisit it later. Once your text is in place, make important information stand out with background color. Select a cell or a range, then choose a fill color. Softer tones work well for subtle emphasis, while richer colors can signal urgency, such as approaching deadlines or high-priority tasks. Use color purposefully so your sheet remains readable at a glance. Next, refine meaning with font color. Select the cell or the text, open the font color tool, and choose a color that aligns with your system. For example, a distinct color for overdue items and another for completed tasks. Keep contrast in mind to maintain accessibility and ensure your text stays easy to read. You can also change the font itself. Select the cells you want to update and pick a font from the menu at the top. A clean, professional font supports client-facing projects, while a more casual style can work for internal trackers. Consistency across your sheet helps it look polished and intentional. Here's a time saver. Format multiple cells at once. Click and drag to select a range, or click a column header to select the entire column before applying your changes. This is especially helpful for large sheets where you want uniform labels or consistent color coding. Right-clicking a cell opens additional tools that streamline your workflow. From this menu, you can insert images directly into cells, build formulas, or use assisted tools to help generate content. You can also link cells from other sheets to pull in live data without duplication. Adding hyperlinks is simple too, letting you connect to documents, websites, or other Smartsheet locations for quick reference. For automation, use conditional formatting. Open the conditional formatting tool and create rules that apply styles when conditions are met, such as highlighting overdue dates or changing the text color when a task is marked complete. This ensures important changes pop visually without manual updates. These fundamentals will help you build sheets that are organized, readable, and visually consistent. If you found this helpful, like the video, drop your questions in the comments, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more step-by-step tutorials. Happy formatting!